Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone Face ID not working issue on iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of Face ID. Their Face ID is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Face ID not working issue on iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is to clean the true depth camera and sensor. Make sure there's no dirt, debris or any kind of obstructions on the true depth camera and sensor located at the top of your iPhone. After this, then you have to do is remove any screen protector or cases. Some screen protector or cases might interfere with Face ID functionality. Try removing them and see if Face ID work better without them or not. If it still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various software glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating to the latest version of iOS and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset your Face ID. If none of the step works, you can try resetting Face ID on your iPhone. To do this, you have to go back simply, scroll down and then go to the Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. After this, scroll down and you can see your option. Simply tap on it, reset Face ID, and then set up Face ID back. If trying this all of these solutions and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset all settings on iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset All Settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Face ID not working issue on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.